India buying was established in 2009, and since then we have emerged as a reputed manufacturer and exporter of various kinds of wooden metal Indian furniture, handicrafts and decorative. Our products are crafted with utmost precision and perfection. As a result, every item coming out of our manufacturing units displays elegance, creativity, and excellent craftsmanship work. Our factories are equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure and latest technology. This, when combined with our skilled craftsmen, generates perfection in products. The finished goods are well packed and kept within spacious in-house warehousing units. We are manufacturing several designs of furniture especially for overseas markets and according to taste of clients seeking designs, quality workmanship matching Western standards in all aspects. We are vendor to wholesale importers, exclusive stores, hospitality projects, architects, online retailers, B28, bulk buyer, furniture distributors, dealers, and many more across the globe. With aggregate expertise of above 2 decades in furniture manufacturing brings us in strong position to handle and deliver technically advanced, fine quality furniture for all needs and dimensions.